having the capability to take a robot out of the lab into the wild is something that I think is relatively unique that we can do here. And in particular, and where tons of people are around observing that robot and potentially interacting with it, we'll see new things that we haven't seen before, which is exciting.
It was really cool to see kind of all the labs gathering. Texas Robotics has a really wide range of research, from autonomous vehicles to driven ones, and then human devices.
Robotics is this art of integration. So there's electrical engineering, mechanical, software, computer science, all of these things coming together for these very unique machines.
I think the most interesting part of deploying robots in the wild, which is a critical part of doing research because we need to understand how people interact and operate with them, is just seeing their reactions to the robot, whether that's of intimidation or whether that's concern or whether that's like accepting.
I'm a big proponent of outreach, and I think that that plays into this robot parade at a few levels. For like younger people, kids up through elementary and middle school, you know, getting them excited and realizing that this is a field, a very fast-growing field that they can pursue.
I just like seeing the robot parade because it tells me that people care a lot about robots and they're really excited to see the robots. Robots have really come a long way, especially in the last few years.
We have an amazing team that help put on events like this. I think that more people ought to know kind of the cool work that we're doing.
Everybody, welcome to our robot parade! Texas Robotics focuses on research, educational programs, industry partnerships, community outreach. The research ranges from medical robotics to autonomous robotics, robot manipulation, nuclear and applied robotics.
As we build systems that are engineered, that are designed to do specific tasks, we don't build them in isolation, we build them for people.
All of the professors and all of the students try to keep at the center of what they're doing is, let's not replace the people, let's enhance the people, let's have these robots work alongside them.
The work that we do with exoskeletons and assistive devices, I think that it'll be really interesting to see how, as a society, we define our relationship to robots. Will it become common to see someone in your neighborhood using an assistive device or using some sort of companion robot? The human factor is one of the main reasons that I sort of got into this field. I did engineering in undergrad and didn't have a super clear idea of what I wanted to do, but once I realized that I could build devices that make people's lives easier, I was like, that's incredible, that's what I want to do.